My name's Jim Gaspar. I've been in the hair loss industry for approximately 20 years now. Well, how I got into the industry was I was having a hair transplant procedure done in Denver, Colorado with Dr. Mayer. And during the course of the procedure, him and I were talking back and forth about how it impacted my life, the changes that it made. And I started going to open houses and seminars, and I started talking to patients about their experience, their hair loss, what bothered them about their hair loss. Well, laser therapy was introduced years and years ago with the laser comb.
Hi, my name is Sean DeRotis. I'm one of the owners of National Hair Centers. When I first saw laser, low-light laser therapy was kind of in its really beginnings, and they had a comb that you had to kind of do a lot. And you know, what I saw is most people put that back in a drawer and it ended up, you know, in a closet or a drawer or something because it was just too hard to use. You know, I was fortunate enough to buy a company that I worked 18 years at here in National Hair Centers, and for most of the years we had offered laser services, but they were at a very high cost. They required you to come in at least twice a week and get 30 minutes of laser under a hood. Very big piece of machinery. It wasn't conducive to really having people come in twice a week. It was very hard for them, and it was very expensive.
The reason that I brought Capillus into my practice here is because we like the fact that it gained not only FDA a clearance for safety, it also gained FDA clearance for stopping hair loss in men and women. That's extremely important because so many years now the laser devices seem to be missing that one important trinket, if you will. And that's just to be able to support the fact that it definitely works, and it is through the FDA trials that show that.
The Capillus is so much easier. You just put it on and it does the work by itself.
The efficacy is so high on females because it works. And once we have somebody into the program on Capillus here, and we follow them through the first year, the results are amazing. The product itself is amazing.
You know what, I recommend the laser Capillus caps to really anybody that A, has a genetic inclination to lose their hair. Maybe they know that. I know I did. My family history kind of showed me that I was going to have to deal with hair loss. I knew that when I was in my early teens. Started to lose my hair at 22. Had the laser therapy been available at that time, I don't think I would have ever gone bald.
As a business owner and owning a hair loss clinic, it's very important for us to have the highest level of patient care possible. For 20 years as a consultant, I've always said be a consultant first, a salesperson second, and always maintain that order, and I always have. Most important thing with low-level light therapy and Capillus on board with us is that the service is outstanding, absolutely outstanding. The quality of the product is amazing. The warranty on the product is off the charts. Also, what we like about Capillus is you have different price points. So we can find the right device for the right person with the right budget. I decided to wear the Capillus 272, and it's a very interesting thing. One of the things that I found out when I used the 272 is my hair is darker in color and it grows faster. I get haircuts more often. And that's the light energy that does that. That's something that Propecia did not do. However, I'm grateful that I had Propecia for the several years to hold my native hair around my transplanted hair, but now with low-level light therapy in the Capillus, it gives me a different venue to go to. That's not a medication that you have to consume for a lifetime.
The Capillus is a product that does work. I've seen it. I've been in the business for 18 years. The results are pretty amazing. I've seen people come in and their hair, you know, I've seen them a year later, their hair is exactly where it was, or it's much better because it takes that thin, fine hair, makes it thick again. So yeah, I absolutely believe in this product. I wouldn't have it at our company if I didn't believe in it.